Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, I was doing my garden check and I came back to the same collard greens that I had removed 5 caterpillars from, and you will not believe what is back on here again. I believe that this is an infestation, so I'm probably just gonna pull this plant up. You know what? I didn't even get a chance to spray neem oil. So after I spray some neem oil on it, and if it doesn't prevent or stop what's going on, I'm just gonna have to pull this plant up, because at this point I think it's just a goner. Yeah, it's yeah. I think I'm gonna have to pull this up. Check this out. 1, 2, 3 right there. That's just the 3 that I can see. So I'm gonna remove these, and then I'm gonna spray some neem oil all over this. And I'm gonna move to the other side. That's where my real crop is growing, on the other side, inside the raised bed, and I gotta spray that down early in the morning. So I'm gonna remove these and get ready to spray. All right, guys, just a quick video of that. Let me remove these real quick. Look at the damage. That they have created on this collard green. That's all damage from them nasty buggers. All right, but I really came out here to check the dragon fruit to see if there's any new buds. And of course they are, but that's another video. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next. video. Peace.